Hi everybody, it's me again. I got a new name. Someone's called me the lockdown chef. Not sure if that is true. Anyway, now we're going to make a really nice risotto. Of course, basic ingredient is 350 grams of risotto rice. We then have 50 grams of fresh grated Parmesan cheese, 2 carrots nicely chopped, 1 onion nicely, very finely chopped, 2 spring onions, and about 50 grams of chanterelles. It's also been cut down a little bit. 50 grams of butter, salt and pepper. I always use sea salt flakes, best. And of course the magic ingredient in everything. We're starting with about 5 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're starting to fry the carrots, onions, spring onions, and the chanterelles until they get a little bit softer. And then we start hitting with the rice. Right, so we have added the rice into the pot. We have let the rice just continuously stirring it for about 3 minutes. And what you want to do, you just want the rice to just nicely toast up a little bit and also absorbing all those flavors that's inside. After 3 minutes, you wondered why there were 2 glasses of Prosecco. That will become evident in 3 minutes. Keep on stirring and then you'll see what happens. Right, so normally you would put white wine, so 100 milliliter of white wine goes into the rice. Today we're going to lux it up a bit, we're going to try something new, so we're doing Prosecco. One for food and one for me. Cheers. Right, so we allowed the Prosecco to fuse with the rice for about 3 minutes. What we want the alcohol to evaporate out completely. Then we pre-prepared 1.2 liters of vegetable stock and just slowly adding bit by bit. You don't want to add everything at once because you want to gradually the rice to infuse the water or to absorb the water, and that is what makes it just really delicious. Okay, so now we've got all the stock inside with 1.2 liters of stock. And what we're doing now, just constantly stirring it, or every now and then, until the right, very nice consistency, as you can see. Let's get that Parmesan cheese inside, and that will just melt in just perfectly. When you do your seasoning, just be careful with the salt, because Parmesan cheese is quite salty in itself. And then we put a nice, lovely lob of butter in there as well. And then we just let that melt in as we stir, and then it's ready to serve and enjoy. Here we go, ready to enjoy. Delicious.